Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value starting from this area of support, 3272.61. The price in the next 3 days has risen in value, reaching 3350.58. And after that, the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle right here at the resistance level, suggesting further decline in value. On a Friday, the price did not continue this bearish engulfing candle and also bearish breakout, but the price is returning back up, testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance. We can see that this is just a confirmation of this bearish breakout and also bearish engulfing candle, which means the next week there could be also a sell-off going further down. Weekly time frame shows me that we have closed the week with this bullish candle. The bullish candle that has not closed above this area of resistance, which is a very important one, and also did not manage to go above 3357 and also above 3390. Monthly time frame shows me that we have indecision candle in the previous month, also similar to the month before that. It is also a bearish pin bar that has been formed here. I do not currently have any resistance level and support levels here. I will manage to do that later on, but currently we can see that there is some indecision on the market. This week the month has just started, so it is a small bullish candle, not too very important to make the analysis on it. The weekly time frame shows me that the week before has created two bearish candles, very strong ones when the price has reached this area of resistance. Is this indication of the further decline? Well, this weekly candle that has closed as bullish has cancelled this strong bearish momentum. So it's very important to see what happens on the lower time frames to see how the price will behave. Well, the daily time frame is showing me a bearish engulfing candle, which has been confirmed, and also bearish breakout. It's very important to see on a Monday how the price will behave. So for now, this daily do not show me too much very good confirmation because of this selling pressure that has been retraced back up, reaching the resistance level here. I am more inclined to see the price going down, but I am not very sure about this candle formation currently, how the market looks, and especially on the 4-hour time frame where I can see that the price is trying to move higher. This was a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, where the next target is around this area starting of supply zone. So the price could reach the first one level, this one here, and then we'll see what happens. We had here yesterday a little bit confusion between the buyers and the sellers. There was also first one a bearish engulfing candle, suggest further decline down, which has been cancelled with the next candle, a bullish breakout which has been cancelled again with the bearish engulfing candle, and then the price has dropped down. These two candles was messy, and also I had two failed orders. If you take a look here inside the premium analysis results, these two failed orders are the only ones that has been active this week. We can see that. And also we had 5 positive trades, successful ones, and you can see there were totally 12 of positive trades and only 2 of them failed this week. If you would like to receive these updates for all of these symbols, feel free to check the link below in the description, and then you can join other traders to receive this premium group information, where you get the entry level, stop loss and take profit level. And what I have said, currently the price will probably reach high price levels, but it is a Monday after the weekend. Over the weekend can also happen something on the market where the price could open with a gap. So it's very important to see how the Monday will open and how the price will behave. I will also share the details during the Monday with the traders inside the premium analysis group, how the price is behaving, where it's heading, and also will this be a daily bearish breakout and also daily bearish engulfing candle will push the price further down, or the price will try to attack this resistance and try to form a bullish breakout. Let's see what happens on the lower time frames like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. It will be very important to see how the Monday starts. Feel free to check also the link below in the description for the premium analysis. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.